Maytag mhw4200bw2 washer making a humming noise. No power to the machine as in the lights don't turn on. The only thing that happens when I plug it in is that humming noise.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model mhw4200bw2. Maybe 2 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I'd like to. I'm usually good with this stuff.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
There was an error code at first, then it went away. The door became stuck. My wife unplugged the machine. When I plugged it back in, the problems he gave you in the opening happened.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. This error you're experiencing means that the washer took too long to fill up. It tried to fill with water for more than 6 minutes, so the unit went into flood mode, and now it will constantly drain for up to 30 minutes. Just leave the washer plugged in and let it finish the flood sequence. Unplugging the washer will reset the timer. After 30 minutes the washer will unlock and the error will reset. If you have the water turned back on, then you can start another load and you should be good to go again. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
There is no power. Just a humming noise. I understand what you're saying because that happened when I got that code last week. This time though there is no code anymore and no lights on in the front of the machine. Just the humming noise like a motor does when it's fried, no lights at all.
Just give it 30 minutes and see if it stops. If it doesn't and it just keeps running, you need to replace the main control board because that is the only other thing that can cause this condition. The main control board is mounted in the front right corner of the washer under the top panel to the right side wall.
Okay, Tyler. Thanks for the information.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.